Yeah, make sure you go under the arch first. And it's the blue lane that you should follow in.